Hey guys, Q's is my first vlog. Right now I just got back from San Diego Sharp Memorial Hospital. Not very good. Um, but I'm just here to say that more YouTube videos will be coming, I promise. I just need to get enough money to get a capture card, a webcam, and just enough money to buy more games. Uh, I will try to start with any newer games that come out. Otherwise, expect some older gameplays, walkthroughs. That will help. And I will be doing more vlogs. Expect them on Mondays and Wednesdays. That is a good time to expect them. You should try to do it any Monday and Wednesday. Any and every. I will be doing them at my school. They will be there, and won't be as long, but you will be seeing people who will be on Qwazhere. As you can see, I am clearly in a parking lot at the Rouse in Temecula. Can't wait to get home. Maybe do a vlog when I get home. Don't know. Expect vlogs soon though. I know I seem kind of boring so far. I just saw my channel collecting dust and waiting for a capture card. So I decided to make more. I'm just gonna start doing vlogs. Should be easy enough, and expect more vlogs. This is probably gonna be my short one.